Do you want to be pretty? Do you want to be fit?
Do you want to be like her? Stop eating is not the way.
It is estimated that 8 million Americans have an eating disorder, 7 million women and 1 million men.
1 in 200 American women suffers from anorexia. 2 to 3 in 100 American women suffers from bulimia.
An estimated of 10 to 50% of people with anorexia or bulimia are male.
%20 of people suffering of anorexia will prematurely die for complications related to their eating disorder, including suicide and heart problems.
It doesn't have to end this way. Eating disorders can destroy your life.